Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide the Restore Pages pop-up in Google Chrome. This annoying notification appears when Chrome didn't shut down properly, and it can be frustrating to see it every time you open your browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your file browser on your computer. You'll need to navigate through your system files to access Chrome's internal settings, so this process requires a bit of digging into your hard drive. Once your file browser is open, click on your hard drive, typically labeled as Local Disk C. This is where all your system and program files are stored, including Chrome's configuration data. Next, click on the Users folder. This folder contains all the individual user profiles on your computer. From there, click on your specific user account folder. It might be labeled as User, or it could have your actual account name. This takes you to your personal files and settings. Now, click on the App Data folder. If you don't see this folder immediately, you may need to enable hidden files in your File Explorer settings, as App Data is typically hidden by default. Once you're inside App Data, click on the Local folder. This contains locally stored application data that isn't synced across devices. From here, click on the Google folder and then click on the Chrome folder inside it. These folders contain all of Chrome's local settings and configurations. Now click on the User Data folder. This is where Chrome stores all profile-specific information, including your browsing history, bookmarks, and preferences. At this point, you'll see folders for each Chrome profile you have. If you only use one Chrome profile, simply click on the default folder. However, if you have multiple profiles like in this example, click on the appropriate profile folder, such as Profile 3. Make sure you're selecting the correct profile where you're experiencing the Restore Pages pop-up. Inside your profile folder, find the file named Preferences. This is a crucial configuration file that controls various Chrome behaviors. Right-click on the Preferences file and select Edit in Notepad. This will open the file in a text editor where you can modify Chrome's settings directly. Once the file opens in Notepad, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search function. In the search box, type exit and hit enter. This will locate the exit type setting in the file. You'll see a line that says exit type with a value, and the common value is usually crashed. This is what triggers the Restore Pages pop-up. Change the value from crashed to none, then save the file by pressing Ctrl+S or clicking File and then Save. Now here's the important part to make this change permanent. Right-click on the Preferences file again and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, you'll see several checkboxes. Check the box labeled Read Only. This prevents Chrome from overwriting your changes the next time it closes, ensuring the Restore Pages pop-up won't appear again. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the Restore Pages pop-up in Chrome by modifying the exit type setting and protecting the file from being changed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.